Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am going to share some projects using the Gingerbread Garland. As you can see, this is the die right here that I used, and I will have an affiliate link in the description box below in case you would like to purchase this die, the affiliate link. If you use that, thank you so much for helping my channel. And also don't forget to use Carol 10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let me tell you that this die comes with a lot of pieces to create a boy and a girl. So you have the scarf, which you can use for the boy. There's a bow for the boy and a bow for the girl. This is the trim for your girl's dress. So you get a bow and then a little button to put in there. These are for the squiggly lines, for the frosting. This is the girl's hair, the boy's hair, the girl's dress. And there are two different faces. There's buttons, there's a collar for the dress, and then you get this piece here, which you can use to hook your gingerbread from one to the other to make your garland. I did not use this for the gingerbread. I'm going to show you how I did it, but I did use this for something else that's a surprise for you. I'm not going to share it right now. And so this makes a really cute gingerbread. So before I show you my project, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you come back. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So let me go ahead and pull in my project. And I am so in love with this. So here we go. This is my garland. So I'm going to show you the little gingerbread. There's a little piece of fabric right there. So here is the girl, and in this one here, you can see I made buttons down her dress and her collar, and I used some embellishments that I had in my stash, and this is how I did my face. I used some little diamond dots on her hair and one side of the leg just to embellish her and give her a lot of detail. So here we go. This is the boy, and here you can see I used a snowflake for his little scarf. I have hearts for his buttons, and I put diamond dots here and here on him. Here's another girl, and I used a bow die, a small bow die from my stash. And you do get these pieces here to decorate her dress, and I put diamond dots on that to embellish it. I got a little bow in her hair. Then we'll go to this one so that you can see all the different ways. Here's the little boy, and I put a little embellishment bow here, 2 hearts, and I use the diamond dots. Here is another girl, and I did use the bow. Now some bows I put to the side of her hair, some I put on her bun. Well, I guess that's supposed to be a bun. And then I decorated her dress with the pieces that you get with the die. And again, this is a bow from my stash. And then here is another boy. And I used some little bow embellishments I had in my stash and this little snowflake. So this garland measures 45 inches, and it looks amazing in my Christmas tree. So I'm going to show you, I did do another one, and I'll show you the the gingerbread so you can get some idea how to decorate yours. So I did not make a traditional Christmas one. I wanted to put the time and effort into this to use in my own tree. So here is a girl again, and this is another bow from my stash. Look in your dies and see if you have any of these things to use in yours. Here's another boy. Here's a girl. Now see, her bow is to the side. And then I have these little bow embellishments in my stash, so I put that on her dress. Here's the boy, and he's got bows instead of buttons and a little heart on his scarf. Here's another one with little bows, and here is the boy, and he's got a little heart on his scarf and two little snowflakes instead of buttons. So that's that one. Now I want to show you another one. So my Christmas tree, I will be showing you that sometime this week, because now I have to put this in the Christmas tree and it's going to mess up my ornaments a little bit. So I'll have to fix it. So I'm thinking, okay, I have gingerbread ornaments I made. I have Nutcracker ornaments I made from all the projects that I've showed you in the last couple weeks. So here we go. I used the Nutcracker die. So he's Nutcracker, and I used that piece I showed you, and here I created a Nutcracker garland. Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? So in this die, you get this piece right here. So what I did is I cut that die out, and I cut it in half, and I sandwiched it in between. See how that looks in the back? I sandwiched it in between the back of the Nutcracker, and I put another piece of 110-pound cardstock over the top of it. And here is the Nutcracker garland. So this is going to match my tree as well. Now I have a 7-foot tree, so I'm hoping that 3 garlands will fit into it. Here. And I tried to do them all different. All these little nutcrackers. And here's the last one. So I have I have 6 nutcrackers in this garland, and I have 6 gingerbread in each garland, and so that's 3 boys and 3 girls. Now I will have a tutorial on how to put the gingerbread boys and girls together and how to assemble your garland. That will be the next video on my channel. That should be tomorrow. So I hope you have enjoyed this project. The longest time it takes is to put the little figurines together. It does take a little bit of time to cut the strips of fabric, but I made 3 of these in, let's see, I started yesterday in the morning, and I did a little bit in the morning today, so not too bad. A day and maybe a couple hours of another day. So I hope you've enjoyed this project. Stay tuned to the tutorial on how to do the gingerbread and how to put this together. Like I said, this is easy. I already gave you a tutorial on how to put your nutcrackers together. So the only thing that I added to this is I cut that piece again from here. I cut 2 of these on 110-pound cardstock. Then I cut them in half. I put them behind my nutcracker and then added another 110-pound cutout piece for the backing to create this one. So with the tutorial that I have, you can still do this. That's the only thing different that I did. So these are pretty thick. They're not going to fold They'll store easily, and I will tell you how to do these to get a good sturdy gingerbread as well. So thank you so much for joining me today. I was so excited to show this project. I think it is so pretty. I love it all. And remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.